Hello, my name is Sydney Heinen and I am a senior psychology major. Initially, I was a little worried about this research methods class because I have a really bad habit of skimming through articles and picking and choosing information to use rather than actually taking the time to read the entire article and understand what they're really talking about. And so this class has actually helped me to learn to slow down and has taught me specifically how to read research articles. The most important thing that I've learned from this class is that research is cyclical, meaning that just because you find an answer to a research question, doesn't mean you're done yet. You still need to add on to it, extend, replicate, ask new questions, share it, have other people repeat the research, and you always end up asking more and more questions rather than coming to a complete stopping point. I think this idea leads into something known as the Einstein syndrome, meaning that unless your research is as big as Einstein's, then it's not good enough. And that's not true. One limitation to this idea, I think, would be that because if you think that your research isn't as major or as good because it's not as major, then that might lead someone to not put as much effort into their experiments or their questions. And I think that would be not okay, because no matter how big or small your research question is, you still need to put just as much effort in as you would for any other question. I can relate to this idea because when I'm choosing a topic for a class or like a presentation or something, I have a really bad habit of trying to choose something that will impress everyone else in the class rather than choosing something that I actually care about. One question that I think someone might have about this phenomenon might be like, why would I want to spend my time researching small stuff when I could impress people with the big stuff? And my answer to that question would be, you can't even reach the big research questions and the big ideas until you start with the small ones. So now you know that the next time you're doing research and you're feeling down because you're not sure about the impact your research might have, or you're not feeling like it's strong enough or big enough, remember that not all research is major and that the small findings are what build up and lead to the big findings. Thank you.